defense grid activated.
Hi, I'm Mahdy. Today I'm talking about SSD and HDD. HDD means hard disk drive. HDD is the old storage drive that uses the mechanical platters. On the other hand, SSD means solid state drive. SSD is the latest storage drive that uses the mechanism of pen drive or memory card. That's why it's so small. This is hard disk drive from Seagate. It is 2 terabyte. There are lots of companies like Western Digital, Blue and Toshiba. Actually, Seagate is more faster than others. That's why I like Seagate. This is SSD from HP, which model is S600. It is 120 GB. That is the SSD card. Its weight is up to 50 gram, but its weight is up to 500 gram. It's too much. It consumes less power, but it consumes high power. Sometimes it makes some vibration, but it is fully silent. SSD is more faster than HDD. The maximum read and write speed is 525 MB per second. The maximum read and write speed of HDD is 220 MB per second. That is the main advantage of SSD. It is so faster. That's why everyone like SSD. But SSD is so expensive. Its price is so high. On the other hand, HDD is cheap. Nowadays, SSD is more popular for gamers and programmers. That's all.
Automated defense grid activated.